In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your crypto assets from your spot wallet to your funding wallet using the Binance platform. Whether you're using the app on your mobile device or accessing Binance through your desktop, these instructions will ensure that your transfer is seamless and secure. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Alternatively, if you're using a computer, just log into your Binance account through the desktop website. This gives you access to all the features and tools you'll need to manage your crypto assets effectively. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallets section. On the mobile app, you'll see this option prominently displayed. For desktop users, you may need to click around a bit, but it should be fairly easy to spot. Within the Wallet section, you're going to focus on the spot wallet. This is where your cryptocurrency is typically held after buying or trading. Now, tap on the option labeled Transfer. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to move funds between different wallets within your Binance account. Once you've done that, you're going to see a couple of fields. In the From field, make sure it's set to Spot Wallet. This indicates that your crypto is to be transferred out of this wallet. As for the To field, you want to switch this to Funding Wallet, where your funds will be transferred to. Next up, you need to select which crypto asset you plan to move. This is an important step, especially if you hold multiple types of cryptocurrency. Make sure you pick the correct asset to avoid any mistakes. After selecting your desired currency, go ahead and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check this amount to ensure it's exactly what you intend to transfer. Once you're confident everything is accurate, tap on Confirm Transfer. This final step executes the transfer, and you'll be pleased to know that the funds should appear almost instantly in your funding wallet. This kind of speed and efficiency is what makes Binance so convenient to use. And that's it. You've successfully moved your crypto assets from your spot wallet to your funding wallet on Binance. Remember, transferring funds within your Binance account is an everyday task that becomes second nature with practice. So feel free to repeat these steps whenever necessary, and as always, make sure to keep your account information secure to protect your investments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.